You will never get a good grade in GCSE Maths if you keep getting stuck on questions involving the volume of a frustum. A frustum is the shape you get when you take a cone and cut the top off with a horizontal slice. To find the volume of a frustum, we find the volume of the large cone and subtract the volume of the small cone that was removed. The formula for the volume of a cone is 1/3 times pi times r squared times h. Let's work through a question. We have a large cone with base radius 6 cm and height 15 cm. A smaller cone is removed from the top. The height of the frustum is 10 cm. First, we need to find the height of the small cone. The total height of the large cone is 15 cm and the frustum height is 10 cm. So the height of the small cone is 15 minus 10, which equals 5 cm. Now let's find the radius of the small cone using the linear scale factor. The linear scale factor is the height of the small cone divided by the height of the large cone. That is 5 divided by 15, which simplifies to 1/3. Since the radius scales by the same factor, the radius of the small cone is 6 times 1/3, which gives us 2 cm. Now let's find the volumes. The volume of the large cone is 1/3 times pi times 6 squared times 15. That gives us 1/3 times pi times 36 times 15, which equals 180 pi. The volume of the small cone is 1/3 times pi times 2 squared times 5. That gives us 1/3 times pi times 4 times 5, which equals 20/3 pi, or approximately 6.67 pi. So the volume of the frustum is 180 pi minus 20/3 pi. That gives us 520/3 pi, which is approximately 544.5 cubic centimeters to 1 decimal place. Now you could also check this using the volume scale factor. The linear scale factor was 1/3, so the volume scale factor is 1/3 cubed, which is 1 over 27. The volume of the small cone should be 180 pi divided by 27, which gives 20/3 pi. That confirms our calculation. Try solving the question shown on the screen. Once you have your answer, write it in the comment section below. Thank you.